Hello, my name is Sandeep Kahir. I'm here at Satya Clinic today to get my hair transplant. I met Dr. Shaill Gupta 10 years ago when I got my first hair transplant. At the time, I was researching to find a reliable clinic and a trustworthy doctor for hair transplant, and there were very few at the time, a few quality clinics at the time. I was taking all the medications, but none of them were helping me. So I met Dr. Shaill, and he recommended me to go with FUE technique, which was new at the time, and I got 2500 grafts. The results were amazing. I got a great hairline, as you can see. After 10 years, it's still intact, and also the medication I started taking after the transplant was kind of monitored by Dr. Shaill Gupta. So it definitely helped me to get great results. He is very passionate about his work, and his team is very dedicated and empathetic towards all the patients, and I certainly felt that during my first transplant. Today, after 10 years, I'm here again. Dr. Shaill Gupta recommended me to go with FUE technique, and today I'm getting 1800 grafts to fill the gaps and kind of get more density on my head. So I'm really looking forward to the surgery today, and I'm glad that Dr. Shaill Gupta still has, after 10 years and after such a great success and great journey, he still is very passionate about what he does and very empathetic towards his patients. So really looking forward to the surgery today.